Hello everyone! Today, I'm going to show you what we had for dinner tonight. Also, it's been a really long time since I've steamed rice the old school way, so I'm trying to see if it turns out right before I record a Nqaij Npua video. I did make one mistake when steaming the rice, so I'm glad I trialed it before I recorded an actual video. When cutting up Nqaij to boil with pork, make sure to cut it into smaller bite-sized pieces. Sometimes I'll cut it into halves lengthwise, but if they're really long stems, then thirds are okay too. Also, don't forget to cut down the middle like you see me doing here. Always rinse your greens at least 2 to 3 times. You don't want to find a caterpillar after you've already cooked it. Especially because there are all sorts of dirt and bugs in the packaging. I've got some pork shoulder here that I'm cutting into about 1-inch cubes. Allow it to boil for a little bit and skim off the scum. Go ahead and add your greens, lemongrass, and salt. Then allow it to boil until the greens are fork tender at their thickest stem. Jasmine rice gets steamed twice, while sticky rice gets steamed once. Always important to remember, in case you didn't know. So here's after the first steam, then I'm just adding boiling hot water into my rice. The mistake I made was, I allowed it to sit in the water for too long without straining, then my rice was softer than it should have been. It wasn't so bad though. Oh, more pork. I did keep some larger pieces to put in the broiler. Added some Goya seasoning and salt. Mix. And then I like to use a roasting pan with a rack for more even cooking. Broil on high for 15 minutes, then flip and allow to cook for another 10 to 15 minutes. Now it's time to steam the white rice for the second time. Looks like the greens are soft now. The broiled pork looks like it's good to go. I let it rest for about 5 to 10 minutes before cutting it into smaller pieces. Pickled mustard greens. I love keeping some of these in the fridge and topping with cilantro. Pickled vegetables are great for gut health, and I always love having leafy vegetables available in my fridge. Food makes Tao so happy. That's why I love cooking for him. Hmong food is definitely his kryptonite. Thank you for watching, folks. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these other videos.
This is the stuff. Oh, it's the spot.